Hello, juniors, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn about our body parts. So, let's get started. First of all, this is your forehead. Forehead. Repeat with me. Forehead. This is your forehead. This is your ear. You hear different sounds with your ear. This is your ear. Very good. And where's your nose? Here is. This is your nose. This is your nose. And this is your eyes. This is your eyes. Very good. You are doing really well. This is your lip. This is your lip. This is your arm. This is your arm. This is your stomach. This is your stomach. Very good. This is your soft and beautiful. Very good. Hand. This is your hand. This is your knee. This is your knee. Which body part is this? Very good. Knee. What is this? Sorry, which part of body is this? Very good, very good. Foot. This is your foot. And this is your leg. This is your leg. Very good.